Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here and welcome back to Stronger Together. This is your space to reconnect, reset and continue growing in love together. Last week we opened our hearts to listening with love, learning that peace begins when we slow down and truly hear one another. And this week we're gently deepening that practice with something just as powerful: grace and patience. Because love will test you. It will stretch your timing, your emotions, and your ability to forgive. But in these very moments, you also discover the strength of your connection. So wherever you are right now, just take a slow breath in with me and out. Let your shoulders soften and let your mind settle and allow your heart to open. Now gently receive these words. We give one another grace and patience. We remember that we're both human, learning, growing, and evolving. There'll be moments of misunderstanding, moments where emotions rise before clarity. But instead of reacting, we choose to breathe. Instead of holding on, we choose to release. Our love becomes calmer when grace leads the way. We no longer seek perfection, we choose presence. We no longer keep scores, we choose compassion. We give one another grace and patience. If this is speaking to you, just type grace in the comments or send me a DM if you prefer. Now take another slow breath and gently think of one area in your relationship that could use more grace this week. Maybe it's communication, maybe it's expectation, or maybe it's simply slowing down and appreciating how far you've both come. Now quietly say this within yourself. I give my partner grace to be who they are, even as they grow. I give myself patience to love without rushing change. We give one another grace and patience. Again, we give one another grace and patience. Together, we're learning that timing matters, that love does not need to be rushed, forced, or perfected. It simply needs space to grow. Patience becomes the space where understanding deepens, and grace becomes the bridge that brings us back to each other even after difficult moments. So as you move through this week, just take a moment to notice: where can I respond with more softness? Where can I pause instead of react? Where can I choose peace instead of proving a point? Because grace is not weakness. It is one of the strongest expressions of love. Let those settle in your heart. Our relationship is a safe space for imperfection. We meet frustration with calm energy. We forgive easily and choose kindness first. We give one another grace and patience. Now take one final deep breath in and out. Feel gratitude for this moment and for the love you're building. Not perfectly, but intentionally. If this spoke to you today, share it with another couple on their journey and subscribe as we continue to grow stronger together. I'm Coach Steph and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay gentle, stay grounded, and let your love move with compassion. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.